Hello everyone, welcome back. We are very excited to have you here one more time. Today we are going to continue with the unit in the workplace. All right, so I'm sorry, I apologize. We apologize for yesterday's inconvenience, but today we're gonna have it a go, and we're hoping that today is going to be a great session. Alrighty, so we're gonna go back and start with the beginning of this unit, which will be in the workplace, and let's go into it. So when you get to Burlington English, you are going to go to vocabulary practice, okay? Since that's the thing that we are gonna be doing first, vocabulary practice, and get used to it. So once we click on that, we are going to select the Core High Beginners Vocabulary Practice, okay? Which is Burlington Core High Beginners. Once you get there, you're going to go to number 6, which is in the workplace. You see it here in the workplace? All right, so yesterday we did read making small talk, right? We started you with that. We're going to go back a little bit. We're going to backtrack a little bit and start from the beginning. Listen and speak through customer service. So we are going to do that vocabulary, okay? So let's begin. We're going to get familiar with this information that we have here, okay? So let's do this. Brush hair. Can you please repeat?
Brush your hair. Brush your hair.
Brush your hair. Brush your hair. I don't have that much, but I still brush it once in a while. Let's put a sentence to it.
She brushes her hair in the morning.
One more time.
She brushes her hair in the morning.
She brushes her hair in the morning. Notice that you have a letter H, the sound of the letter H here, and also the letter H here again. So in between you have these vowels. So when you get to the consonant, make sure you stop. Hair, hair. Notice this is shorter than this. This is a little longer. Hair, hair. She brushes her hair in the morning.
She brushes her hair in the morning.
So for some of you, I know you all know what that means, but just to make sure that you guys have a picture of what is to brush her, so she brushes her hair. This is her brushing her hair. As you can see in that sentence, you have a possessive adjective. Her belongs to her. The hair belongs to her. She brushes her hair. Okay, let's continue. Let's go to the next one. The next.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. One more time.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth. Notice the word teeth. Teeth is plural for one tooth. Teeth will be two. One tooth. Teeth. Teeth. Tooth will be only one, right? So you want to brush your teeth. Let's put it in a sentence.
He brushes his teeth twice a day.
He brushes his teeth once a day. He brushes his teeth once a day. Or twice a day, I'm sorry. Twice a day. He brushes his teeth twice a day.
He brushes his teeth twice a day.
He brushes his teeth twice a day. As you can see, she is brushing her teeth. He is brushing his teeth. If you're referring to one person who is male, you say his, like this boy right here. But if you're referring to a female, she is brushing her teeth. She brushes her teeth twice a day. All right, let's continue with the next one. Enjoy your stay.
Enjoy your stay.
Enjoy your stay.
Enjoy your stay.
Sometimes when you are visiting a hotel, you're staying in a hotel when you're traveling, it's important for the people that work in these hotels to give you the best hospitality that they can offer. And some of those things that they will say to you, one of the sentences or phrases you'll hear is, enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy it, right? How many of you are planning to go somewhere this summer and enjoy your stay? I know I am. Enjoy your stay.
I hope you enjoy your stay at the hotel.
I hope you enjoy your stay at the hotel.
I hope you enjoy your stay at the hotel.
I hope you enjoyed your stay at the hotel. Let's go to the next one.
Front desk clerk.
Front desk clerk.
Front desk clerk.
Front desk clerk. A clerk is someone that works in an office, can work in a hotel, or can work in different places or businesses. A clerk, someone that works, could be a banker that works in a clerk. So for this case, we have this is the clerk who's behind the counter, and this is the guest, as you can see right here. This is other pictures of a clerk from a hotel or resort.
Front desk clerks at hotels help the guests.
One more time.
Front desk clerks at hotels help the guests.
Front desk clerks at hotels help desks.
Front desk clerks at hotels help the guests.
Front desk clerks at hotels help the guest. The guests will be people that come, sometimes when you are going to a hotel, you are the guest, and they are the ones that have to provide that hospitality to you. Okay? So let's go to the next one.
Glass.
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 Glass. Let's put it in a sentence.
There is water in the glass.
There is water in the glass. In the glass.
There is water in the glass.
There is water in the glass. Sometimes you have a glass and you fill it with water, right? Glass. That is self-explanatory, so I don't think I'm going to be showing you any pictures of that. Now, here we go.
Guest.
What we were talking about. Guest. Guest. This person is the guest, and she is the receptionist or the clerk, right? The hotel clerk. Guest. Let's put it in a sentence.
The people who stay in hotels are guests.
The people who stays in hotels are guests. Okay? So, for example, this person right here, he's checking in into a hotel, as you can see, right? This is the clerk of the hotel clerk or the receptionist, and this person here checking in is the guest. Okay? Sometimes you go with your family, right? And so your family, all of you are guests. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Hairbrush.
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 hairbrush. We talk about hairbrush, right?
Don't forget to bring a hairbrush to the hotel.
Don't forget to bring a hairbrush to the hotel. A hairbrush, we all know that you need to brush your hair, right? A hairbrush. It's a compound word, if you notice, that consists of two words, hair and brush. Hairbrush.
Don't forget to bring a hairbrush to the hotel.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Housekeeping. A very important word and a very important person in a hotel. Housekeeping.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping.
As you can see, this word also is a compound word. Housekeeping. Let's put it in a sentence.
Housekeeping cleans the guests' rooms every morning.
The housekeeping cleans the guests' rooms every morning. One more time.
Housekeeping cleans the guests' rooms every morning.
And that's why they're very important, right? Many of you know about these services. Some of you are housekeepers yourselves. And I know my mother-in-law was a housekeeper. And that's a really great job. And it's a very important job. It's an essential job. Many of you guys at this time that are that are housekeepers are essential workers, because without you, we cannot keep things clean, correct? Housekeeper is very important. Housekeeping. Well, let's go back to other words. Now we're going to get into some expressions that we usually heard a lot in the hotels, such as,
how can I help you?
How can I help you? How can I help you?
How can I help you? The front desk clerk asked, how can I help you?
How can I help you? The front desk asks, how can I help you? Right? Sometimes they ask you these questions because they really need to provide good hospitality and good service to you. How can I help you?
The front desk clerk asked, how can I help you?
How can I help you? Now, unfortunately, there are some times that they can't really help us as much, and there are some issues or problems or difficulties that we experience when we stay in a hotel or when we're providing a service. Okay? This is another expression that is important to hear and understand.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
I am sorry for the inconvenience.
I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
I am sorry for the inconvenience. Let's put it in a sentence.
The TV is broken. I'm sorry for the inconvenience.
The TV is broken. I am sorry for the inconvenience. Okay? Sometimes we have issues and there's nothing is out of our hands, and the only thing that we can say is, I am sorry for your inconvenience. Like yesterday, we are sorry for your inconvenience. Okay? And if you experience some issues with your computer or the technology, I am sorry. We are very sorry for your inconvenience. All right, let's go back to the next question, the next one, another phrase that is very important.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Is there anything else I can help you with? Let's put it into a sentence.
I'm happy we solved that problem. Is there anything else I can help you with?
I'm happy we solved that problem. Is there anything else I can help you with? This sentence is used mostly at the end of a conversation when you're on the telephone with someone. You usually will hear, is there anything else I can help you with? Okay? And that's something that they make sure that you know before they let you go, because they want to provide as much help as possible. Is there anything else I can help you with? Well, this is another wonderful day. We are going to continue with this with Mrs. Luyando and the rest of the vocabulary. It's been a pleasure, and we'll continue with this. If you have any questions, just don't forget to ask us.